Hey you guys, so today we're going to show you guys how to replace the reverse light bulb right here. Hey you guys, I'm going to try doing this really quick because the battery on my camera is dying out. But I'm trying to do it on my camera this time instead of my phone, so that way the quality comes out better for you guys. So for the reverse lights, you have this piece being held on with 3 clips. I don't suggest using like a flat screwdriver or something right here. You don't want to scratch up your paint. So one of the clips popped out, as you were able to hear. It's going to feel like it's getting stuck because this plastic liner is hanging on right here. Pop the second clip. You do not have to take this off. And there's one more clip. There you go. So that's the 3 clips. You pop that off. You're going to use a T15 to take off 2 screws. After you take off those 2 screws, we already taped around here, so that way, just in case you slip or something, well, your hand slips, you got butterfingers, you don't scratch any of your brand new paint. So you pull out that way, and then you wiggle it out so that these come out from there. This one in the middle is going to be for your reverse lights. So you're going to go ahead and twist this off. And twist that one. Can you twist it? So you're going to twist that off. Pull out that bulb and you're going to replace it with a T15. You could also use a T10 bulb if you want also. It's just not going to be as bright as a T15. The T15 is a little bit bigger of a base. Also, these bulbs are a little bit thicker, so don't ever use something metal like this because you don't want to risk shorting something out. So we're just going to pop this in there a little bit to wiggle it around, just so that the LED bulb fits a little easier, so we don't got to try forcing it so much. So once we do that, still got to wiggle it around a little bit. There we go. And now it's all the way in. So you want to double check this before you put it back. So I'm just going to click unlock on my remote, and it is working. So I don't have to flip the connection or check anything. It's good. Push this back in, twist till it's locked back in place. And then to put it back, those 2 screws that hold it in from the corner go back in place. And then you put the 2 bolts right here and you just pop back on this plastic. Make sure those 3 clips pop back in. So that's the end of this video. I'll take an after picture for you guys, but the batteries keep blinking on my camera. Hopefully you guys like the video. I'll put a link below for the product on the description. You guys could buy the T10 or the T15s. The ones we're using in this video are T15s. They're brighter. They're $20 a pair with a 1-year warranty. The T15s, you can also use those. They're a little bit smaller, but they're also very bright. Those are $15 a pair with free shipping and 1-year warranty on those also. Thanks for watching. Alright you guys, so the lights are done. So you guys can see it's a much nicer light output. Now it matches with the LED license plates that we have on there, and our LED headlights and fog lights. So now all the lights look very nice on this truck. No more ugly yellow colored bulbs. Also, the light output from these new reverse lights are a lot brighter. That's going to help at night with me using my backup cam. Hopefully you guys liked the video, learned from it, and I'll put the link for this item below. Thanks for watching.